In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy keywords from Ubersuggest effectively and effortlessly. Ubersuggest is a fantastic tool designed for digital marketers, bloggers, and SEO specialists who aim to improve their website's reach. It gives you insights into the popularity and competitiveness of various keywords, helping you target the right words for your content. Your first step is to head over to Ubersuggest by navigating to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account to access all the features Ubersuggest offers. If you haven't created an account yet, you can easily sign up by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, you're ready to explore the wealth of keyword data available. The next move is to input a keyword in the search bar. Let's say you're working on an article about healthy snacks. Type healthy snacks into the search box and click on the search button. Ubersuggest will then generate a comprehensive array of data related to that keyword. Now, to delve deeper into keyword options, click on the Keyword Ideas link located on the left-hand sidebar. This section unveils a treasure trove of related keywords, each accompanied by essential metrics such as search volume, keyword difficulty, and cost per click. These metrics are incredibly useful as they provide a clearer picture of how each keyword can contribute to your SEO strategy. Once you have this data at your fingertips, it's time to select the keywords you want to retain. Simply check the boxes next to your desired keywords. Ubersuggest allows you to be selective or inclusive. You can opt for a few targeted keywords or choose to gather the whole list if you find them all valuable. After selecting the keywords, you're presented with two straightforward options to export or save your selections. The first option is to click Export to CSV. This function will download your selected keywords into a spreadsheet format, making them easy to manage and analyze further in software like Excel. Alternatively, you might find the Copy to Clipboard option more convenient. If it's available, this feature will allow you to simply click, copy, and then paste all chosen keywords directly into another document, such as Google Sheets or a Word document, ensuring your keywords are ready for immediate use in your projects. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to harnessing the power of Ubersuggest for your keyword research. Whether you choose to export them to a CSV file or copy them to your clipboard, managing your keyword research has never been easier. With this knowledge, you can enhance your SEO strategies and reach your target audience more effectively.